YouTube, and welcome back to my channel for another vlog. Now I do plan to go back and forth between vlog and furniture flip, but this week is a little bit different because it's just different. Okay, so the furniture flip is coming. I do have a couple of pieces in my shed, and that's what I'm gonna go grab right now. So we're gonna pull out some things. One of those items will be my next flip, and I'm gonna kind of keep the rest a secret. I do have some colors on hand, so they are colored. Well, one of them is a color that I haven't used in a long time, but I'm not gonna reveal that today. You'll just have to stay tuned to see what I do. The nightstand and dresser has not sold, so I do plan to bring that into the house today. And then I also plan to retake some photos of my desk because that has not gotten any interest at all. And I haven't really kept up with it. I literally posted it one time and left it alone. So it's time for some new pictures and just some better marketing, if you will. So I plan to repost that desk, the dipped in paint desk. I don't want to get a whole lot for it. I just want to get it out. And with it being back to school season, I think I can make the sale. So I think, oh yeah, I have a bench that I want to work on today. I started it a long time ago and never finished it. So I plan on painting that. So yeah, we're just gonna get into it, and let's get into it. Okay, so I took the couch out of the kitchen. I told you guys a couple vlogs ago that I want my kitchen back. So I'll just say the hutch that you did see me pull out is one that I plan to keep, and I'm gonna put it on this wall, and then we'll figure out the table situation. I know these curtains need to be lifted. I keep switching them out. So the ones that I had before were the perfect length for where the rod is at, but now that I put these ones up, that needs to go up higher. I just haven't gotten around to it. Hopefully I can do that today. Right now I'm about to go into the garage. I'm about to go into the backyard and grab the bench that I started working on a while ago and that I need to finish working on. So it did rain the other day, unfortunately, so it did get rained on. It's so crazy because it hasn't rained in forever, and then just randomly 2 days ago it rained. So I'm gonna go grab that and we'll get started. Okay, so I'm starting to wear down. It's 3:15. I already primed the bench and I was supposed to paint it, but I think I'm gonna just do that tomorrow or some other time. I just don't feel like, I don't mind so much painting it. It's the cleanup that I don't feel like doing. So I do have somebody coming to get some furniture, nothing special at all, just some free furniture that we had, and we're just reselling it for a very small amount of money. So I'm just gonna pull that out and wipe it off. They should be here at 4. So like I said, it's 3:15. So that's probably the last thing I'm doing today. Probably. The only other thing I could see myself doing is raising those curtains and straightening up the kitchen. And yeah, that's, for the most part, that's it. So we'll see how far this vlog goes. I don't intend to continue on into the next day. So, but notice my verbiage, okay? I don't intend. We'll see, anything can happen. But yeah, so that's what I'm about to go outside and do right now. So it's still too long. Let me see. Hopefully you guys can hear me clearly. Curtains are still too long no matter how high I raise them. So I think I'm just gonna put my old ones back up. They're up here. And this cabinet really, don't judge me, okay? I need to go through it and reorganize. But this is my extra decor cabinet. And the curtains are up here somewhere. That's on my to-do list. You might see that in another vlog. I plan to clean this out and put some stuff in the garage where my decor cabinet is. So the stuff that I'm not gonna use for the house, I'll just put it out there and use it for my staging wall. So hopefully I'll do that next week. But for now, switching out these curtains.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your
Okay, you guys, so I'm seriously almost done. The person is literally on their way to come pick up that furniture, and it's it's 4:50, and I have a Zoom call to be on at 5:30, but I want to show you guys this real quick. I get all my decor secondhand for the most part. So if you're wondering, like, why would you buy curtains that are too long for your house? It was a deal I couldn't pass up. So I can't remember how much they were, but it was real cheap. As well as these plants. So, ooh, I just broke it, but I'm gonna just stick it back in there. But I have 3 of these, so basically I paid $1 for each one. Okay, so I may use this from time to time on my furniture flips if I ever do like some of those taller dressers, because I like the way that looks. But for now, I'm gonna put this at the top of our cabinets, and I hope it looks right. But if not, like I said, $3, you can't beat that. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Let's go.
your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that.
Okay, so if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a like. It will really help me out. Be sure to leave a comment and interact with me, and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. With all of that being said, I wanted to give you an update on the couch, and I do have a buyer, and she's already paid her deposit, so she'll be here later this afternoon. And that just goes to show you how big of a difference your photos actually make. I've literally had this couch posted for months with little to no interest, and here's a picture of how it looked before versus the pictures that I just took the other day. So that just goes to show you it really does help, and it makes a huge difference. And I'm just so excited to finally get the sale and to have my kitchen back. So with all of that being said, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon in my next video.